My name is Kristen Laubeck. I'm the Marketing Product Manager here at NASTAR. I wanted to talk to you guys about our TwoFer ship and return label. It is a double-sided linerless construction for the e-commerce or ship-to-home market. It's unique in that you have space on the top for your packing list, your shipping label. Flip it over, the construction's reversed, so you have your return label on the top and then space on the bottom for return instructions or your marketing message. So basically what you would do in the warehouse setting is you have your box with your goodies in it to send out. You peel the shipping label off, affix it to the box, and then the entire thing can be dropped inside the box. The construction is 100% recyclable, so nothing enters the waste stream, and it's cost effective due to not having a liner. If you guys have any questions or want more information or samples, please give us a call or reach out to us on the website.